Wash your hands with love and care. Eat your veggies, drink your milk. Wear clean clothes as smooth as silk. Share your toys and always say please and thank you every day. Work and play, then clean up too. Good habits make you proud of you. Sleep on time, get lots of rest. Doing your best, you'll be blessed. Help your friends and family. Good habits are the way to be. Brush your teeth and comb your hair. Wash your hands with love and care. Good habits every day help